Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to boost your earnings by staking crypto on Binance. If you've been looking to make your crypto work harder for you, then staking is the way to go. Let's dive in. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, hover over the Earn tab on the top navigation bar. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu, select Staking. Here you'll find a variety of staking options, but let's focus on one of the most popular choices, locked staking. Locked staking allows you to earn a higher annual percentage yield, or APY, by locking your crypto for a fixed term. The longer the term, the higher the potential earnings. It's like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but with potentially better returns. To get started, pick the crypto you want to stake. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you have plenty of options. Once you've chosen your crypto, select the amount you want to stake and the lockup period. This could be anywhere from 7 days to 90 days or more. After selecting your preferences, click Confirm, and just like that, you're staking. Now sit back and watch your crypto grow. Remember, the key to successful staking is patience and choosing the right lockup period that suits your financial goals. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to grow your crypto holdings with Binance Staking. Don't let your assets sit idle. Make them work for you. Happy staking! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your investments. See you next time.